Literally researched on so many cameras before finally deciding on which camera to choose. For the longest time, I thought I'm gonna go for the Canon G7X Mark III because that's the most popular camera amongst many YouTubers. And after that, I sort of shifted my opinion to Sony ZV-1, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for that camera because it has the filters and everything looks so good. But finally, after going to the store, reviewing and watching multiple videos and researching so much, I can proudly say that I'm an owner of the Sony ZV-1F. I'm so happy that I went with this one. Let me tell you why. Best Buy. I'm literally near the entrance and I'm sort of excited and nervous. This is gonna be my first ever camera, guys. I knew in my mind that I really wanted a camera specifically for creating content and like capturing beautiful memories about my life and sort of vlogging, because that's what I enjoy doing. So that's the reason I knew that I had to go for this camera, and it sort of strongly aligned with all the requirements that I had. So if content creation is your purpose of buying a camera, then I would definitely recommend you to go for this one, because this has the best reviews and is the best one in the market for the price point that it's offering. This is perfect for especially the people who are starting off as content creators or who are doing this as, you know, a personal hobby or a passion project. I think this is great. And secondly, this camera is pretty much versatile. You don't really have to use this only for YouTubers or they say the content creators, but you can use this for TikTok, Instagram, you can use this for webcam, you can use this for live streaming. I could really use this when I'm traveling, when I'm going out with my friends. So this camera is perfect to take group selfies due to the wide angle lens. These are literally the reasons why I wanted to purchase this camera, and also having this flip screen. I've wanted this for the longest time. Okay, so let's quickly do the unboxing. Just to reiterate again, I got the content creator kit as well along with my camera, which comes with the 64 GB memory card and the tripod stand. So the tripod again is from Sony. I really wanted to take the same brand because I wanted that consistency and uniformity to be maintained. And it's very easy to set up the tripod. All you have to do is place the lithium-ion battery that comes separately, and the instructions are also there, which makes it very easy to set it up. So the tripod gives you a wireless grip, and it also allows you to control a lot of camera functions automatically, like zooming in, zooming out, taking a picture or starting a video recording, or even defocusing or focusing the background. All of this you can actually do with just clicking the buttons, which is so simple. You also get an option to lock your tripod so that you can disable its functioning as well. And I really like how it's so simple, and when you see the red light, you know that it is working and it is actually on. So yeah, it's pretty cool, very easy to install. It took me just like 5 minutes, and I'm also very happy that it comes with a 64 GB memory card. And there's also a cover that is given in order to protect your tripod stand whenever you're not using it. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So unboxing the main part of the video, which is of course the camera, Sony ZV-1F. So as you open up, you have some set of instructions along with the USB cable that is required in order to connect to the computer or to charge your camera. It also comes with a white color windscreen, which I thought was really cute. So the windscreen basically matches the body of the camera, which is white. I'm so glad that I went with the white color because I just love the look of this, like the contrast of the black tripod with the black lens cover. It just looks so cute and it sort of stands out. So that is all. This is all that comes inside the camera box, and as you can see, the camera is super lightweight. The instructions are also pretty simple, easy, very clear, so it took me just a couple of minutes to start it off. So I also like filming with my iPhone, which is what I've been using so far for all my previous YouTube videos, but the front camera is just not that clear. Again, the back camera of the iPhone is really good, but the front camera is not really giving me that high quality resolution that I am looking forward for or expecting. So yeah, this is what the camera sort of looks like in my iPhone. I haven't flipped the screen, so that's why you're seeing this part. So now I'm gonna flip the screen. And hi guys! I still need to learn to look at the lens and not the screen. But yeah, this is gonna take some time. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with the quality. The video looks so crisp and clear. It's literally how the camera comes and how it looks like after you switch it on. So yeah. I'm gonna test out the camera outdoor as well, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and all of that. So I got the opportunity next day to test out all the features that I was able to explore in the camera. So I went outside to a park where me and my husband played tennis, and that's where I took some of the footage. So all the footage that you see is from a nearby park. So the first amazing feature of the camera is of course the 20mm wide angle lens. Because of the 20mm wide lens that I have, there is a lot that can be captured in the background. Most of the other cameras that are popular for vlogging actually come with lens separately, where you have to purchase the lens in order to get that wide angle view. But this one naturally has the lens, which makes it amazing because your entire face can fit in the screen, as well as a lot of other things in the background. Like, there are so many instances where I was filming with my iPhone and either my forehead was chopped off or my hair was chopped off and I couldn't really get the background appropriately. The wide angle feature is also amazing if you're going outside, you're traveling, you're vlogging outside, or you just want to capture nature in general. You can cover a lot in the background, which is amazing. So these are all the 10 different presets that the camera comes with. The first one is the normal version, and the next 10 that you see are actually the creative looks or the creative filters that you have in the camera itself. This makes it so easy, especially for people who edit their videos. You don't have to edit it. You can automatically put the filter and take your footage directly in that filter. Some of the filters look so cool and amazing that even if you take pictures and upload them directly on Instagram, they look like you made efforts to edit it, but actually you just added a camera filter. So these are just random clips that I recorded just to get some footage. All I can say is that I really love the camera. It is 20 megapixel, which is not very high, but at the same time perfect for a vlog camera. The one feature that I did not enjoy the most would probably be the zoom in and zoom out feature. As you can see, whenever I zoom in, the resolution is automatically decreasing. It's not as good as I expected it to be. Also, the battery life is not the best. In case you are filming outdoor where you cannot charge your camera, then you will have to carry an extra set of battery because it's just not enough. Next is the autofocus technology. Again, one of the coolest features that I personally felt with the camera is it can automatically detect your eyes and focus on you, and whenever you're out of the focus, it can automatically focus on the product that you place in front of you. I love how amazing and immediate it is. Even an iPhone takes a lot of time in order to focus, especially when you're in that portrait mode, but in this camera it is so automatic that it happens in just a second. As you can see, even in the plant, there is that one particular area in the center which is focused so easily. So this is soft filter in the high setting. I don't know if there's a lot of difference. Soft filter in the mid setting. Soft filter in the low setting. So this is how the mic of Sony ZV-1F sounds like. I like how it comes with the cute windscreen, so that really prevents any of the wind noise coming. So I really like that. Hi Dolly!
Hi!
How's my new camera?
Awesome!
Did you like it?
Lovely. I like the fur on top.
So it's super windy here. I have no idea if you can hear the wind, but this is how it is. The last feature that I explored was the stabilization. So I heard that the camera comes with an active image stabilization. So this feature is amazing when your vlog has a lot of movement, you're running a lot and you're just outdoors. As you can tell from the footage, it's a little bit shaky but not too much. Walking really fast here, and you can see that the image stabilization of the camera is like really good because I'm walking quite fast. Watching. I hope this was useful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.
పాపం బాటిల్ పెద్దగా అయిపోయింది ఫ్రేమ్కి. దిస్ ఇస్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ డీఫో. ఆహా, hi. So there's a small little restaurant in Grove Street which is called Prince and I, and they have the best cheesecake crepe.